Alright y'all, so before we get into this video, let's chat a little bit, okay? Let's talk about my natural hair, my new natural hair journey. Here's the thing. I had it in my mind that if you have a kinkier type 4 hair texture, that you only really want to stick to creams, and then you add a gel on top for some hold. And that might work in like the winter months, but it's summertime, child. It's summertime. And so I am not about the over manipulation of my hair during the summer months. I had the nerve yesterday to try to film a Bantu knot takedown. I already did the Bantu knot the night before. It looked like it was gonna be cute. Child, I sat down here, started taking it down. It just poofed right up. Probably because it's 91 degrees outside and humid AF. But, you know, so this time around today, child, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna do a twist out. I'm just gonna really embrace my hair as it is and just refresh it. So this video is just refreshing our hair, and I realized that less is more and that you don't need 51 products and oils and jellies to get, and layers and all that cocktailing that we do to get results. Today we're going to be using some products that I have not tried before, child. We're going to just play around with it today. I'm just going to refresh my hair because it's fuzzy and dusty, and then go put on my makeup and give it a couple of hours to see if it'll dry down, because I'm not going to over wet it either because it's already humid. My junk will just never dry. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and I'm going to go do my makeup and we'll come back and we'll see if it's cute. Okay?
Take it to the